Welcome! In this video of the Tips and Tricks series, we will use the TPG Property Viewer version 3.2 to demonstrate how to outline multiple parcels at once and how to select and extract data from the data layers on the map. First, open the TPG Property Viewer and navigate to a property you would like to outline. Open the Outline Boundaries tool from the bottom of your screen and select either Parcel or Title selection. In this example, let's use Parcel selection. If you want to outline only one parcel, you have the option to enter the parcel ID in the search box. And every time you enter a new parcel ID and click Apply, a new outline will appear on the map and at the top of the list of the Property Layers pane. Each outline can now be turned on and off from this pane. If you don't have the parcel ID or the title information, you can also use the pin to identify the parcel to outline. Under Spatial Filter, from the drop-down, select to only return features that intersect with the shape drawn on the map. Select the pin option and place it on the map, and then click Apply. Again, the parcel is outlined and appears at the top of the Property Layers pane. But if you would prefer to outline multiple parcels at once, rather than one at a time, select the option to draw a line or an area. If you select to draw with the line or one of the areas, all the parcels that intersect with the line or the drawn area will be outlined. You can also apply a search distance to your line or area boundary. The search distance you enter, for example 20 meters, will be applied on each side of the line you draw. Or, if you draw an area, the search distance will be applied on the outside of its boundaries. Once again, every time you click Apply, a new layer appears at the top of the list of the Property Layers pane. But take note that by outlining multiple boundaries at once, you will not be able to turn them on and off individually. All boundaries act as one single layer. Also, if you need to use different colors to identify separate parcels, you need to run a separate selection for each one of these parcels so that they appear as separate layers on the map and in the Property Layers pane. Then you will be able to apply a new outline color to each one of these layers individually from the previous selection tab. It may also be useful to know that once you've created a selection of parcels or titles, you can extract the data from the map. From the Previous Selection tab, select Export to CSV file. The spreadsheet will be downloaded automatically to your default Downloads folder. In fact, if you don't need to outline boundaries and only want to extract data from one or multiple data layers on the map, use the Select and Extract tool. Open the tool pane from the bottom of your screen and choose a selection mode from the drop-down. Then, select the layers from which data will be extracted. Select the Draw mode and draw the selection on the map. Hold the Shift key on your keyboard to select non-contiguous parcels or a series of parcels. Press on the Control key on your keyboard to remove a selection. Once your selection is complete, Go to the Select and Extract tool pane. Next to each selectable layer, you can see the number of elements that were selected within each layer. Click on the three little dots next to a selectable layer and click on Export to CSV file to extract the data into an Excel spreadsheet. And do the same for all the other layers you have selected data from. Note how you can only extract parcels and titles information into two separate spreadsheets, since they are sourced from two separate layers. This is the way the information is being provided by Lens. You could manually combine information into one spreadsheet later on, but if you required information to be already combined into one spreadsheet, please send a mapping request to the GIS mapping team, and we can process it for you within a few minutes. Thank you for watching this video, and also feel free to explore our previous recordings. Please contact our team if you need help or have any questions.